Alright, what's good, y'all? Chino here. Um, Different name, stuff. I don't want to elaborate. I just different name. Just that's all. Today we're playing Cybobon. Uh, I think this is a variant of Cat Mario. I don't know what Cat Mario is. People have been telling me to play it, so I'm just gonna let's go. Two lives. Okay. Um. Uh. What is this? Can I get this? Uh. So I. Why? 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 Okay, so I'm not hitting that one. Uh. Okay, let's go forward then. My fault. My fault. Uh. Avoid that. Avoid all that. Yep. But how am I supposed to? -1? Really? Okay, this game is insulting me now. This game is insulting me now. -1? I thought you could jump on that. Um. Alright, now this game's being weird. Just. Okay. Jump right here. Jump over that. Right. Now what do I do? Okay. I'm gonna beat it. I'm gonna beat it easy. Jump over that. Oh, what? How does that make sense? Whatever. I'm just Mario. That's. Oh, I forgot. You have to jump over that. Okay. I literally the hitboxes on this game are very bad. Very, very bad. Just gotta whiff it. Are you serious? That didn't happen the last time. Alright. No, no, myself. Alright. So if that's falling down now, though, if that's falling down now, then doesn't that mean it's gonna fall down if I jump on it? Nope, nope, nope. Now I can't get the mushroom. Cool. It's gonna fall down. Why doesn't it fall down up here then? Okay, looks like I got a checkpoint. No, no. Okay, I accidentally messed that up. What? Say what now? Okay. Lost the... Okay, how is that fair? How is that fair at all? Alright, I'm getting to the end. I'm getting to the end, definitely. Uh... Um... I'm being blocked in. Okay. How does that even make sense? No, what? How? How? So I'm supposed to jump over that and that? Jump right here. Jump over this. Jump over. How? How? Actually, how? Actually, how? How am I supposed to jump over that? Jump right here. You jump right here. You jump right here. I'm not even gonna mess with this part. Just jump like this. Jump. Oh. Jump right here. Jump like this. Jump like this. Jump. Oh. Okay. I don't even know how I made it through that first time. Bro. Okay, I know what to do. I know what to do now. I know what to do now. I know what to do now. There we go. They just drop a wave of enemies right there. What? Where did he come from? Okay. No, I forgot. I forgot. Alright. Yeah, that's great. That's great. We're beating it this try. This try, it's getting beat. Why is that right there? Trigger the enemies. Finally, right? Oh, you, oh my gosh. Oh my god. What? Alright, now, come on. I've done this like 50, 16 times now. Go up, slowly. Slowly. Now come back down like this. Yeah. So somehow, we jump over that. No, you don't want to do that. Because it kills you. It does, I don't... How am I supposed to get over that? Oh, okay, I forgot that was there. Just jumping freely. So you can't touch the flagpole. What do you do here then? How do you jump over that? 28 times. Really? Calm down, relax. I'm somehow supposed to jump on one of those. One of those is going to be crucial for me to make it over the flagpole. No. Your grave is here. Alright. Okay then. Bro, I moved out of the way. 31 times is outrageous. It shouldn't be this way. 31 times. Bro, I moved! What do you expect me to do? Oh my... Here, do you go inside this pipe? Bro, I'm trying to avoid that. Bro, I can't gain enough. I can't gain enough speed. Nope, not getting me this time. Wait, should I jump on the laser? I think I should jump on the laser. Once again, the hitboxes are horrible. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done. Yeah.